Day 25 sleep meditation.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 25 of our 30-day meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation is simply about falling asleep. This daily meditation is going to be perfect if you're having a hard time relaxing before you go to bed, or if you're having a little anxiety before you go to sleep. If you have stress in the middle of the day and you're just totally wound up, this is the perfect meditation before you climb into bed. Now, this meditation you can also do while you're lying down in the bed. So come onto your back. If you have a little pressure under your spine as you lie down, I would suggest grabbing a pillow or a blanket, rolling that up and placing it underneath your knees. So we're going to roll into our backs. And I'm just going to take my pillow here, kind of fold it up a little bit and place it underneath my knees. Extend my legs straight and come onto my back. Turn the palms facing up. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you breathe in through your nose, tighten up everything in your body. So maybe flex your feet, squeeze your hands, hold the breath in a little bit, and then exhale, let it go. One more time like that. Breathe in, tighten up everything, squeeze, 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 and then exhale, let it go. And then shake your feet, maybe windshield wiper them a little bit, wiggle your fingers and toes, maybe rotate your wrist, rotate your ankles, and then exhale. And then take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly out of your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. As you breathe in, maybe the chest and the belly will rise. And then exhale out of your mouth. Let your chest soften and the spine release towards your bed, towards the floor. Breathe in. Exhale out of the mouth. One more deep breath in. Exhale out of the mouth. And so from here, we're going to take a little body scan. And what I'd like for you to do is, as we lightly breathe in and out and move our thoughts from one end of the body to the next, in each step, find a little more relaxation and a little more ease in the body. A little more relaxation and a little more ease in the mind. Taking a few moments as you breathe in and out through your nose and maybe exhaling out of your mouth. Observe and notice any sensations in the sole of your right foot, and your right toes or your right ankle. And as you exhale, let go of those sensations and allow your right foot to become heavy. Observing any sensations in your right ankle, or your shin, or your calf muscle. And as you exhale, let go of those thoughts and allow your right leg to become heavy. Bring your attention now to your right knee, the hamstring, and the right quad. Bring your awareness into the right hip. And as you exhale, release any tension or stress from your right hip all the way down to the sole of your right foot. Bring awareness into the sole of your left foot, feeling any sensations or tingling. Bring awareness awareness to your right toes and your right ankle. And as you exhale, allow your left foot to release. Bring awareness into your left calf muscle, your left shin, your left knee. And as you exhale, relax. Bring awareness into your left hamstring, your left quad, the left hip. Any sensations, be aware of them in your left hip crease, your left groin. And as you exhale, allow your entire left leg from the hip down to the sole of your left foot to release. Breathing in and exhale, allow the entire lower half of your body to become heavy. The hips become heavy. Allow the pelvis and the muscles around your pelvis to soften. Release the belly button towards your spine. Allow the body to relax. If you're holding on to any tension across your chest and your throat and your shoulders, on the next exhale, find a sense of ease, overcoming the entire chest and upper body. Just release and let it go. Bring awareness into your fingertips, both on your right hand and your left hand. And sometimes when we're still, we sometimes feel the tingling sensation in the fingertips or in the palms. As you exhale, allow the backs of your hands, both the right and left side, to become heavy. Let go of any stress and tension through your wrist, your forearms, your biceps and your triceps. And as you exhale, allow your arms to evenly drop into the earth. Relax the throat, the tongue in the mouth. Soften your lips. Let go of any clenching around your jaw muscles. Allow your eyelids to rest heavy over your eyes, and your eyes to drop into your eye sockets. And slowly take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale out of your mouth, allow everything to melt. Allow your entire body. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly out of your mouth. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe flex your feet, rotate your wrist or your ankles. And if it feels good on the next breath, extend your arms over your head and stretch. If If you are making your way to your bed, you can roll over to one side and slowly lift yourself up. If you're already in bed, enjoy your night's sleep. Take a deep breath in, bring your palms together, rub them, place your hands over your eyes. Let the hands fall and the eyes open. Thank you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.